Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace camera glass in your LG G6. As you can see on right here, it has a cracked camera glass. So all you will need, just this part. You can buy a new one, I'll provide a link below. It's pretty much, it has adhesive. All you have to do, just stick it back in, remove this thing. And now I'll show you how to do it. So just make sure you hit it up pretty good. Okay, once you hit it up, use knife or something sharp to start in one of the corners. Be careful, don't go over the camera. And once you start pulling one of the sides, it's really easy. It's coming off pretty easily. Damn, it's really hot. Careful. And as you can see, the whole camera glass came off. It's really easy. Now it's time to clean your camera. Make sure you clean everything around it. Clean all of this old adhesive because you have a new one. Be careful, don't damage your camera. Clean it pretty well. Okay, it's clean. Now make sure there's no dust, anything, or a piece of glass. Use your new piece of glass. Remove this back stuff. And now just stick it back in. As you can see, really easy. Here it is, just like new phone. Everything has been fixed. Thanks for watching, and then if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video, and I'll provide a link below for your parts and everything. You can buy everything there at that website. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.